Welcome to Foundations in Financial Crimes, ABC, a comprehensive course tailored to professionals in banking, finance, law enforcement, and compliance. This course is designed to deepen your understanding of financial crimes and their far-reaching impacts on the global financial system. Throughout this course, we will delve into the intricate world of financial crimes, including money laundering, terrorist financing, corruption, tax evasion, and cybercrime. You will gain insights into the methods and motivations behind these illicit activities, as well as their profound effects on economies and societies. Our primary focus is on the vital role of countermeasures in combating financial crimes effectively. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to identify and understand the complexities of financial crimes, anticipate criminal tactics, and appreciate the critical role of anti-financial crime efforts in safeguarding financial systems and institutions. So, what is the course structure and content? Firstly, understanding the nature of financial crimes, their motivations, methods, and societal impact. Secondly, exploring the concept of risk and its management in the context of combating financial crimes. Thirdly, you will gain foundational knowledge about compliance programs, their components, and practical insights into their implementation. Then, you will learn how to mitigate risks associated with financial crimes and when to terminate business relationships. You will also gain insights into various business sectors, their functions, and the specific MLTF risks they face. You will understand the role of regulators, the typical regulations that govern financial institutions and other published entities, and the consequences of non-compliance. Then, you will recognize the importance of ethical standards and the distinction between a code of ethics and a code of conduct. This course is organized into different modules, each dedicated to specific aspects of anti-financial crime expertise. Here is an overview of the course content. First of all, engaging animated videos have been created to facilitate the learning of complex AML-CTF concepts. These videos are tailored to simplify intricate topics, making them more accessible and enjoyable for learners. Following each module, you will have the opportunity to participate in the interactive quizzes. These quizzes serve as valuable review tools, reinforcing key concepts covered in the course. They also prepare you for the final examination. In addition to the animated videos, the course provides essential reading materials. These materials include detailed texts enriched with informative images and diagrams, offering further clarification on complex subjects. Reading materials complement the video content, providing in-depth insights and context. Upon completion of all modules, you will undertake a final examination comprising 30 questions. You will have 60 minutes to complete this exam. The final exam assesses your comprehensive understanding of the course's content and ensures that you have mastered the topics covered. We have designed this course structure to facilitate effective learning, and we are confident that it will equip you with a solid understanding of anti-financial crime concepts. Now, let's delve into the certification process. To earn the ABC certification, successful completion of the final exam is mandatory. In the event that you do not pass on your initial attempt, there is no need for concern. You'll be granted 2 more attempts, with each subsequent try becoming available 15 days after the previous one. This approach encourages continued learning and the reinforcement of your understanding. After a 2-month period, you'll be required to take a retest comprising 15 questions. This measure ensures the retention of knowledge and the comprehensive grasp of the material. It also serves as an opportunity for program improvement. The submission of this retest is obligatory to maintain your certification status. You will receive a notification via email regarding this requirement. Our certification process is designed to support your learning journey and ensure that you acquire a strong command of this subject matter. We encourage your dedication and commitment to successfully completing the certification requirements. For whom is this course designed? The ABC program is designed for individuals aspiring to pursue careers as anti-financial crime professionals, those with no prior experience in the field of financial crimes, individuals seeking to embark on a career in financial compliance and risk management. What makes Foundations a compelling choice? Our approach, featuring animated videos, ensures an engaging learning experience that aids in the effective retention of complex information. This course encompasses a wide range of AFC topics, providing you with a well-rounded foundational knowledge. Through quizzes and case studies, you'll have the opportunity to apply your newly acquired knowledge in real-world scenarios. We eagerly anticipate guiding you on this comprehensive journey into the realm of anti-financial crime. Prepare to elevate your expertise and take a significant stride forward in your professional career.